How to sell anything online. That's what we'll be taking a look at today, folks. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. I have hundreds of videos on my back catalog, so check those out as well. Indeed. And I just joined TikTok, so I'll put a link in the video description below if you want to follow me there for 15-second to 160-second videos about making money online and stuff like that. So check that out as well. But let's just get right into this. All right, so this is a website here that you're gonna want to check out. Transform your ideas into profits. Start a business from a 1 million plus lucrative niches. We all have hobbies or something that gets us excited and motivated when we think about it. It only takes one idea to create a very successful business online. Don't have any ideas? No problem. They will help you choose a direction for your business with over 1 million different niches. All right, so here what you're going to do. There's a link in the video description below for this as well, and you can join 100% for free. There is a premium course, of course, but within the free course, there's more than enough information to see if it's something you're going to want to do. You get 2 free websites as well to start off with. So build beautiful websites, profit-ready websites. No design skills needed. Think of your website as your storefront for your business. Building your very own website is simple within Wealthy Affiliate. That's the name of the site here. The process takes less than 30 seconds to create blah, 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 go on and on and on. Proven strategies to attract loads of traffic to these websites that you build. And what it basically is, you're going to be doing affiliate marketing. You're going to sell anything to people online. And they teach you all this stuff in here. And like I said, you start off for free. There's more than enough information to start off for free. The good thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to deal with customer support because you're selling other people's products. You don't have any warehouses. You don't have to ship anything. You don't have to deal with any of that stuff. You just send traffic to these sites or products, and there's, I don't know how many millions of different affiliate products you can sell. Millions of companies do this. Pretty much every company that's online, not every single one, but they have an affiliate program. Once you have traffic, you need to make money from this traffic. This is the fun part. Without spending a dime, you can promote all the top brands in the world through affiliate programs. And you will learn from close to 6 million product services and easily promote them on your website. No inventory, no shipping, no support required, like I just said. So really cool. So what are some reviews and what's the deal with this thing? All right, so they've been in business for 15 years. They're in 193 countries, about 1.4 million members, 1,800 expert coaches, new businesses built monthly, 10,000. People help daily, 23,000. Real people feedback. Now these are real testimonials. You can actually click on the links here. Actually, these ones don't go to the profiles, but these are real people inside. These are different members here, and you can read their feedback here. And like I said, you just join. You can use my link, and you're going to be taken to a page, and you'll see my picture of myself and everything, and welcome page. So here's some of the tools they have in here. This is perfect for beginners or experts alike. Master affiliate marketing, industry-leading education, get expert coaching when you need help or advice, find millions of keywords, niches, and spy on your competition. 3,000 different website themes. They also include the web hosting and everything like that, which is cool. A lot of places, other people that teach you stuff, you have to go buy extra web hosting and all this other stuff. Instantly network with all these people here. Like I said, there's expert coaches and stuff. So it's zero risk. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up. Get your free membership ready to go. And that's it. And this is how you're going to learn how to sell anything online. Pretty much anything within reason and within legal aspects and everything. You know what I'm saying. But anyways, so check it out. Whether you're just getting started or have some experience or successful affiliate marketer, they're made for you. And check it out. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon. I'll put some extra videos up about it online here on my screen, as you can see. And check it out, folks. Talk to you soon.